Thutha wa munini wa president kuga ati he kiihu kiria aubikirwo ni ngwataniro ya maabitha nene thirikari-ini iria yumbitwo na itanya ria gutigirira ati thingira wa iregi akamiona no ndakamituria eta president, arumiriri ake moigite ati president Uhuru Kenyatta ndagiriire gukua ikaya ria munini wa president no huthu.
Wacha kiwanja iwe wazi, wananchi wa Kenya waamue rais wao ni nani. Mwenyezi Mungu alikusaidia wewe na William Ruto wakati mulipitia machungu, wakati mulienda ICC. Hata wakati moja Rais Kenyatta aliachia William Ruto nyadhifa ya urais. Hiyo ndio ile urafiki na kuaminiana ambaye ilikuwa ni ya sawa.
Maroiga ati ni undu wa giconoko kuona muthaki uria wari na itemi ria mwanya hari gutigirira ati president Uhuru Kenyatta ni ahotana ithurano-ini ciothe ithatu, kimwe kia mwaka-ini wa 2013 na igiri mwaka-ini wa 2017, handu ha gukungwira maciaro ma uhotani ucio umuthi niwe uragagio ni andu aria magirire gukorwo makimwita munene.
Nakuambia mbele ya Mungu, if it was not for William Samoei Ruto, mbele ya Mungu, Uhuru Kenyatta will not be president today.
The people who are trying to compete with him through unorthodox measures will not win it out of that, because Kenyans are clever than that. Our democracy has matured past that.
But ukweli wa mambo, is us leaders who require the BBI. Wananchi, they are okay. Hawa wanafunzi vile wanakaa, they are all the tribes of Kenya. There's no any conflict.
Ndereti ya gucenjia watho makiendekithia irorwo weru marekwo ati ino no njama ya kuharagania giuthi niguo Ruto ndakanatonye thingira-ini wa iregi, na makiroria maitho mao kuri president Uhuru Kenyatta maramuria ati angikorwo ndari na itanya ria gukanyita Ruto mbaru nari amugitire.
Lakini tunakuomba kwa kitu moja, usalama wa William Ruto tafadhali ilinde. Vile wewe unalinda usalama wako na ya jamii yako na ya Wakenya wengine, linda usalama wa naibu wa rais.
Na hatutakubali kutishwa. And I like what you said yesterday. Ulisema wasipokuua wewe haurudi nyuma, na usirudi nyuma.
Mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini ya Senate James Orengo oigite ati munini wa president ni mundu ucambithitio wabici yake na agithugunda mubango wa gukamuhagura ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri gicunji gia atongoria a Jubilee aria mehandite thutha wa mendekithia ma BBI maroiga ati William Ruto agiriire gukunja kibari. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.